Hello, everyone. It's Melissa. Today, we're going to review exam prep question number 304. So, a client shares with you that they want to feel better overall. How can the coach best help the client gain clarity? Option A, what does feeling better mean to you? B, do you mean physically, emotionally, or something else? C, can you describe what your best self looks like? D, what would better allow you to do that you can't do now? Or E, tell me more about how you see your pathway forward getting there. Okay, so let's take a look at the competencies that are involved with this question. First of all, this is part of the process of inviting the client to select the focus for the session. And we want to be thinking about how do we be curious without assumption? And those both go together as part of the response. So let's look back at what those responses were. So in option A, what does feeling better mean to you? We see the coach being open in their question, being curious, not assuming they know what the client's language means. Option B is not an open-ended question, it's close-ended. It's also limiting in how the client could respond. Option C, in a way, is directive. Can you? Those words are being coach directive, directing the client to do something the coach is asking for, as opposed to being using an open inquiry or an invitation. Option D, what would better allow you to do that you can't do now? This is also demonstrating curiosity. It's an open question and it's explorative with the client. And option E, tell me more. So this is similar to C in a way that this is directive language. Tell me. It's the coach directing the client to do something as opposed to being invitational or asking. So coming back around, option A and D are both open-ended questions. Both are reasonable responses, but let's look at what's different between those two. And so this is a process of helping the client define what they want out of the coaching session. We are looking for option A as the answer in this question because this is being directly responsive to what the client just said. And a key point in the question, how can the coach best help the client gain clarity? The clarity is coming out through the client defining what their own language means without the coach making assumptions. The close second is option D, but it may skip over that important client definition. It is future focused, but in sequence, we're probably going to get the most benefit by starting with A, by being most responsive to what the client just said and exploring to gain clarity in their language. Okay, so if you're looking for more practice, many options for you. There is a combination of both live group cohort-based study. There's a self-paced virtual course where you can get similar practice questions reviewed either live or through video with me working through it just like this. Also, if you want more simulated practice, there are 4 timed practice test options available for you that I'll pop the link below. You can reach out with any questions you have about the number of different resources or opportunities to get involved with me through your study prep. Thanks, everyone.